Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today, as promised, I have the Porsche 365 Speedster. Yes, this is a red Tommy made in Japan. Well, yes, this one means made in Japan. Number 89 here, Tomica logo here, top 89, and the Tomica logo. Over here in the back, we can see it's made in 1995, which is denoted by the single 5, and the old Tommy logo, as well as 89. Also, do note made in Japan. Let's open up the box and take a look at the car inside. Yes, this box feels really papery as they didn't include any plastic overdue like they do on the current boxes. So this is one of the first generations of cars to have the plastic bag. So as for the car, we can see on the front, kind of reminds me of a BMW. Even not a VW, Vito, even though it's still a Porsche 356 Speedster. On the side, we can see Speedster, really small in silver, and also on this side. We can also see a silver line running throughout the length of the car, and also one more below. So we still had the classic 5-studded wheels, and a good suspension. Also, you see this is a convertible, and unlike these converters nowadays, this feels somewhat like actual cloth. As well, you can see it's the texture of actual cloth, and actually has these little bumps around the edges, which you can hear, these, which mimic the ones on the actual car. Our windscreen for this is just attached in two places, and you can see it wobbles around kind of a lot, so I don't want to mess that up too bad. The front here, this is a very cute looking front, and a tiny little bit of paint loss on the front bumper there. As for the back, you can see our engine compartment right here, as well as the back, whatever you call it for these old cars. So on the base, we can see number F9 Porsche 356 Speedster made in Japan. Well, if this one says F9, why is the box still a red Tommy car? So, I mean, F9 stands for Foreign Tomica, number 9. So, I guess after this, I'll go check it out. So, I mean, once again, very nice chrome headlights there. Really circular, kind of interesting. And yeah, overall, a very nice car. Classic model from back in the day. I mean, the box here is more accurate about depicting the car than the current boxes. So that's pretty much for today's video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.